How to create a group in WhatsApp on an Android. Here's how to create a new group chat in the WhatsApp Android application. So first of all, open the WhatsApp Android app, then create a new group in one of these ways. So click in this three dot and you will see here new group, and then select new group from the drop down. After that, tap the new chat button and then new group, and you need to select the contacts you want to add to your new WhatsApp group. Search for contacts and simply tap them to add them to the list. After that, click this arrow and type here the group name. Enter the details of your new group. Name your group by typing something in the subject line, and add an emoji using the emoji button. Press the camera icon to add a picture to the group. After click on OK, and your new group chat is ready for the incoming messages. So in this way you can create a group in WhatsApp. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel to get more daily updates.